Now we're back with hold on, give me a minute. Now we're back with our animations. Now what we want to do is we're going to delete all of these except the first one, and we're going to learn how to use onion skinning. I'm going to put this just a little more, like right here. It's pretty good. And we're going to learn how to use onion skinning. And onion skinning is a way to see the last frame you made, so you don't have to click back and forth between animations. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we're going to do the same thing as last time. We're going to make a new layer called line, and just make a line, and we're just going to make it go down like this. That's all we're going to do. And we're going to make this in 9 frames, so make sure this is 9. We're going to put F5, and we're going to extend this line to F5 too, because it's going to extend. And what we're going to do is we're going to have onion skinning on. So this is this button right here, onion skinning. It says onion skin, and it's going off my screen, but if you were to look yourself, you're going to see onion skin. Click that, and you're going to see this little box that shows what layers you wanna, what frames you want to see. So we're going to show all of them. We're going to divide this layer, this keyframe right here, in half, and we're going to by 5 and just press F6. We're also going to do that here, F6. So in this last frame, you want to move it all the way down here on the bottom, and in this one you want to put it in the center between these two. And then we're going to cut this one in half by F6. We're going to move this in between these 2 frames. Do the same thing on this one. Cut these 2 frames, and just do it for every single one. We're going to cut this one too. We're going to put it right here. We're going to move this one here. And we want to cut this one. Move it right here. Now if we were to look, as you see right here, we're not seeing all of the layers because this thing went back, so we want to extend this back to 9 so we can see all of them. And now we see that we have it's evenly distributed and not jiggity, so jaggedy, whatever, it's not moving back and forth. Another option we have is onion skin outlines, which just shows us outlines except the current frame we have. I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to turn onion skin off too. And then we're just going to delete this line. We're going to see our animation now. I'm going to play that movie. Now you see it's going pretty good. It's smooth, and that's how you use onion skin. It lets you see previous frames without going back and forth, so it can be easier to edit animations with frame animation. Let's say that you wanted to, if we were to look at this, it's onion skin it. Let's say that we wanted it to hit the ground, but it's not. What we use is the edit multiple frames, which is next to the onion skin outlines. And now you can edit all these frames just like an onion. Well, in the timeline looks like just like it's an onion skin. Control A to select all the frames, and let's move it down a little with your down arrow key. And this is gonna select all the objects on the stage. That looks pretty good. And now we just edited all the multiple frames, all these frames together. I'm gonna turn that option off, onion skin off too. And that's how you use edit multiple frames button. And now we have the center frame button. I'm just gonna delete all of these and just make a bunch of blank keyframes with F7 up to like 120 or something. Select this frame, keyframe, the last one that you made, go all the way to the left to the first frame, but don't click it, and click center frame. And if you were to do that, what that does is just centers the scroll bar to the center of the keyframe. And that's what pretty much it does. It doesn't do anything else. It's pretty useful. If you just by accident just scroll this way, you can just click that and it's going to take you there to the center. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.